Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Kali Linux versus BlackArch, the ultimate hacker showdown. Yo, what's up everybody? It's your name back with another video. And today, we're diving deep into the world of ethical hacking. We're talking about two of the most popular operating systems used by security professionals and enthusiasts alike, Kali Linux and BlackArch. Choosing the right OS for your hacking needs is crucial. It's like picking the right tool for the job. Both Kali Linux and BlackArch come with their own strengths and weaknesses. So in this video, we're going to break down the differences, compare their features, and help you decide which one reigns supreme in this ultimate hacker showdown. Alright, let's kick things off with Kali Linux. Developed by Offensive Security, Kali Linux has been a staple in the cybersecurity community since its release back in 2013. This Debian-based distribution is renowned for its extensive suite of pre-installed tools, making it a go-to choice for penetration testers, ethical hackers, and security researchers. Think of Kali Linux as that fully loaded toolbox you'd want by your side when assessing network security. It comes equipped with a wide array of tools for vulnerability analysis, wireless attacks, web application testing, and so much more. But it's not just about the tools themselves. Kali Linux boasts a sleek and intuitive user interface, making it surprisingly user-friendly, even for beginners who are just starting out in the world of ethical hacking. Plus, its Debian roots mean you're getting access to a massive repository of software packages, ensuring you have everything you need to get the job done. Kali Linux has become synonymous with ethical hacking and penetration testing, and for good reason. It's a powerful, versatile, and well-maintained OS that continues to be a top choice for security professionals worldwide. Now, let's talk about where Kali Linux truly shines. Its strength lies in its curated selection of tools. Offensive Security, the team behind Kali, has carefully handpicked and organized these tools into categories, making it incredibly easy to find what you need when you need it. This streamlined approach ensures that you're not bogged down by an overwhelming number of tools, but rather presented with a refined set that's ready for action. Another area where Kali Linux excels is its commitment to stability and reliability. Being built on Debian, a distribution known for its rock-solid foundation, Kali inherits that same level of stability. So, whether you're a seasoned penetration tester or just starting your ethical hacking journey, Kali Linux provides a solid and user-friendly platform to explore the depths of cybersecurity. Now, let's shift our focus to the challenger in the ring, BlackArch Linux. This Arch Linux-based distribution takes a different approach, aiming to provide users with the largest and most comprehensive repository of security tools available. We're talking about over 2,400 tools and counting. Yeah, you heard that right. BlackArch is all about giving you an absolute arsenal at your fingertips, empowering you with an unparalleled range of options for any security assessment scenario. But hold up, before you jump on the BlackArch bandwagon, it's important to understand that with great power comes, well, a bit of a learning curve. BlackArch is geared towards more experienced users who are comfortable navigating the command line and customizing their system to their liking. Unlike Kali Linux, which focuses on providing a polished and user-friendly experience out of the box, BlackArch embraces the philosophy of customization and flexibility. It's like a giant Lego set for hackers. You get all the pieces, and it's up to you to build your dream hacking rig. BlackArch's commitment to providing such a vast collection of tools is nothing short of impressive. It's like having a massive library of exploits, scanners, and forensic tools right at your fingertips. Whether you're into web application security, network reconnaissance, or reverse engineering, BlackArch has got you covered. But the real magic of BlackArch lies in its modularity. You can choose to install the entire repository if you dare, or you can cherry-pick specific tool sets based on your needs. This granular control over your hacking environment is a key differentiator for BlackArch. For seasoned security professionals and those who crave the power of customization, BlackArch offers an unparalleled hacking experience. Chapter 3. Tools and Features Face-Off. Okay, so we've got Kali Linux with its curated collection of around 600 tools and BlackArch boasting a massive arsenal of over 2,400. Now, it's time to settle the score. Which OS takes the crown in the tools and features department? On the surface, it seems like BlackArch has a clear advantage with its sheer number of tools. But as we all know, quantity doesn't always equal quality. Kali Linux takes a more focused approach, handpicking tools that are well-maintained, regularly updated, and widely used in the security community. Think of it like this. Kali Linux is like a Michelin star restaurant with a carefully curated menu featuring the finest dishes, while BlackArch is like a giant buffet with endless options but varying degrees of quality. Both have their place, but it all comes down to personal preference and specific needs. When it comes to wireless testing, both Kali and BlackArch offer a robust set of tools for auditing Wi-Fi networks, cracking passwords, and sniffing network traffic. However, BlackArch's expansive repository gives it an edge with more niche tools for specialized wireless attacks. Moving on to web application security, both distributions come loaded with tools for vulnerability scanning, exploitation, and post-exploitation. Kali Linux features popular tools like Burp Suite and OWASP Zap, while BlackArch offers a wider variety of scanners and frameworks, including some lesser-known but equally powerful options. In the realm of reverse engineering, both operating systems provide a solid foundation for dissecting malware, analyzing binaries, and understanding software vulnerabilities. Ultimately, the choice of which OS has the better tools depends on your specific needs and expertise. Chapter 4: User Experience, a Tale of Two Interfaces. Alright, let's talk user experience. When it comes to ease of use and user interface, Kali Linux has a clear advantage, especially for beginners. Its GNOME-based desktop environment is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate. Even if you're new to the Linux world, you'll feel right at home with Kali. The installation process is straightforward, and once you're up and running, you'll find all the essential tools neatly organized within the applications menu. Kali Linux also offers multiple desktop environments to choose from, allowing you to customize the look and feel to your liking. BlackArch, on the other hand, takes a more minimalist approach. It's typically installed as a command line interface only, which can be intimidating for newcomers. However, for experienced users who prefer the power and efficiency of the terminal, BlackArch's CLI-centric approach can be a major plus. BlackArch does offer the option to install a desktop environment, but it's not the primary focus. The installation process for BlackArch can be more involved compared to Kali, requiring a bit more technical know-how. When it comes to documentation and support, both Kali Linux and BlackArch have active communities that are incredibly helpful. However, Kali Linux's documentation tends to be more beginner-friendly and comprehensive, while BlackArch's documentation assumes a higher level of technical proficiency. Chapter 5: The Verdict: Which OS Reigns Supreme. So, we've explored the depths of Kali Linux and BlackArch, comparing their histories, tools, features, and user experiences. Now, the moment of truth: which OS emerges as the champion in this ultimate hacker showdown? Well, the answer, as with many things in life, is, it depends. There's no one-size-fits-all answer here. The best OS for you will depend on your individual needs, skill level, and what you're hoping to achieve. If you're new to the world of ethical hacking or penetration testing, Kali Linux is an excellent starting point. Its user-friendly interface, well-organized tools, and extensive documentation make it easy to get up and running quickly. Now, if you're a seasoned security professional or an experienced Linux user who craves power, flexibility, and the absolute latest in security tools, then BlackArch is calling your name. Its vast repository of over 2,400 tools ensures you'll have the right weapon for any hacking scenario. Ultimately, the choice is yours. Both Kali Linux and BlackArch are incredible operating systems with a lot to offer. The key is to choose the one that aligns best with your current skill set and future aspirations in the world of ethical hacking. And, hey, why limit yourself to just one? You can always try out both Kali Linux and BlackArch in a virtual environment to see which one resonates better with your workflow and preferences. The choice is yours, hack the planet. So there you have it, folks. A head-to-head comparison of Kali Linux and BlackArch. We've dissected their histories, explored their tools, and navigated their interfaces. Ultimately, the best OS for you comes down to your individual needs and expertise. So dive in, experiment, and don't forget to have fun along the way. And as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech comparisons and reviews.